at you. Are you trying to crawl? Look at you. You're so big. Oh my goodness, look at those leggies going. Look at those leggies going. You're doing so good. Yep, get up. You can do it. This is Tikva Hadassah Kirkland almost crawling at almost 5 months old. You are so strong. Look at you, little girl. Hi. Look at you getting around. Oh my goodness, miss. Look at you. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Look at you. You're so big. You're doing so good. Cannot believe it. You're so strong. You're just ready to go, aren't you? You're just ready to go. Oh my. You ready to go? Little Miss Independent. Yes, you are. What do you see? What do you see, little miss? Hi, look at that cute little face. Look at that cute little face. Oh, you're so precious. You're doing so good, little miss. Look at you.